So hello guys, today I am going to show you how to recover our deleted message of WhatsApp. So physically I can show you these are my WhatsApp chats which I have to recover. Means by mistakenly you have uninstalled or clear all the data of the WhatsApp. So here you can see many messages. So now the main thing is you have the copy of the databases. Means this is into the Android, into media and the dot whatsapp. So in whatsapp there is two folder. So these two folder, copy the databases folder to our any future for process. I am copying in this the same folder. So it has been copied. So let's go and clear the data of our whatsapp. So watch how I clear the data. So go to app manager, just open the whatsapp and the storage, just open and clear data. So here has your data clear. So look, it has been clear. So just don't log in now. So then this is the main process. Open the media folder com. Now create a new folder naming whatsapp, same as the given in the video. And in that create a new folder naming media, which m is capital. Now copy the databases file which I have been keep in other folder. Mine is here, so I will copy into the media whatsapp folder. So you can see I have completed the process. Now you can just simply log in into your whatsapp and then watch my video again. So here we go. It is asking permission to continue. It is asking permission for the backup, so you can allow them. So I am allowing them. Watch it. Allow. Just allow it. Now it will directly come for backups. Just restore it. Now you can see I am restoring it. So while restoring, you do not have to do anything. So you can check my 222 messages are restored. So I'm going to OK and click on the next step. So you can see it is asking for backup. If you want the backup, you can do for daily. So you can see this is my chats, and chats are really backup. So thanks